Hello, and welcome to Campaign Directly. Today I'll show you how easy it is to create QR codes using our platform. For those of you who are on a trial plan, you will be able to see that we have two buttons here. This button enables you to build UTM links, and this button enables you to create QR codes. So let's get started. When you click on the QR Code Builder button, you're going to be taken to this page. Please click on the Create QR Code button to continue, is the message that you'll see. So let me click on Create QR Code, and I am taken to the Builder page. As you can see, I have a lot of options available to me here. I can create a QR code for a text, for SMS and messaging, for Wi-Fi, for a static vCard, for an event. We also have dynamic QR codes for links, emails, phone numbers, SMS, vCard applications, WhatsApp, and more. The difference between the static and the dynamic QR codes is that here, once you create the QR code, you cannot change it anymore. However, here, once you create your QR code, you can change it at a later point in time if you need to do so. For example, if you want to keep the same QR code, but your landing page URL changed simply because you moved your content to another website or you have updated your campaign, you can easily do so directly from our QR code builder. Okay, so let me show you how easy it is to create a QR code. So first we need to give it a name. So I can say, hey, test QR code event. And here I can select my shortener domain. Then I will click here on event and I will have a mock QR code event. This is my description. Then my location is mock location. And I will type my URL as campaign Trackly URL. Here I can select a date and a time. I'm going to select March 11 at 18:30 as a start date. And then I'm going to create as an end date March 10 at 7 o'clock. As simple as that. And now I can also create some colors here. I'd love to create my foreground here, this color, and I think I'm ready. So let me generate my QR code. My QR code has been created successfully, and here it is. And I'm ready to either download it as a PNG or WebP file. I can also directly scan it on my phone. And if I need to update it, I can certainly click on update and I can make all the changes that I need. So let me go back to the QR code library. Now I have my first QR code created for me here. It tells me when it was created, what is the type of QR code that is created, and also I can download it as SVG, PNG, WebP, or as a PDF, and I can also edit it. Neat, isn't it? So let's create another QR code really quickly. So if I want to create a QR code for an email, I am going to put my email here, support@campaigntrackly.com, and I can say request help with QR code creation, and the message is please contact me at malena@campaigntrackly.com to help me with a few questions. Okay, I can also change the colors. I would like the background to be purple, and I'm ready to create it. Generate QR code. Unable to create QR code. Name is required. Oops, I forgot to give it a name. Okay, so this is going to be email QR code. So let me go back and try to generate it again. and this time it was created successfully. Now, here it is with the purple background, and I can go back to my QR code library. And as you can see now, I have my email QR code created as well. And I have the options again to download it or edit it. When I go back to create QR code, I can continue to create a variety of QR code types depending on my channel or on the asset I want to promote. We give you one place where you can manage all of your QR codes. And if you want to combine QR code creation with UTM link building, you can use our Click and Add UTM link builder, which essentially allows you to add a lot of tracking codes to your link before you convert it into a QR code for promotional purposes. Hopefully, this demo has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at support@campaigntrackly.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.